Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located nearby, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Asher, Gwinnett, Byers, St. Louis, and Trousdale.